Right now we're going to show you how to repair a loose tile from the edge of your pool deck. As you can see, we're removing the excess tin set that was left from the last layer used to pack in the tile by getting rid of it with a screwdriver and water. Next, get your tile and put a lot of tin set on the back so that when you push it down, the tin set will push out from the edge of the border of the tile. As you can see, the tin set is pushing out from the tile and it acts as its own sealant, locking in the tin set. You're going to want to wipe it off with water, but make sure that none of it falls into the pool, as this can cause damage to your drain. Now, as you can see, we're wiping it off with a wet sponge to make sure that it's clean and packed in. We're going to be doing the same thing with the top tile, putting a lot of grout/tin set on the back and packing it in nicely with a screwdriver. Once again, we get water and a wet sponge and we wipe down the surface, making sure to pack it in with the tiles. Finally, we're just going to wipe it down fully with a wet sponge one last time to make sure that it's all clean. As you can see, this amazing job was done by Platinum Pavers. We specialize in brick paver coping on the edge of pool decks, and we repair them. Contact us at 239-316-4630 or info@platinumpavers.net.